Hey, it's Nay, and today I'm getting my hair relaxed. It's been about 17 weeks since the last time I got a relaxer. I'm very excited to see the progress that my hair has made over the last couple of months. And so in this video, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to show you what a relaxer day looks like for me and the products that I use to ensure that my hair stays healthy throughout this process. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by parting my hair in 4 sections. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna show you guys the products that I'll be using. Once my hair is in 4 sections, I'm gonna put Blue Magic hair grease all over my scalp, edges, and ears to protect it from being damaged by the relaxer. I'll be using regular strength Just For Me relaxer because I have found it to be gentle on my hair and scalp. I mean, look at how happy that girl looks on the box. When doing a relaxer at home, please make sure to follow the directions on the box and use all of the products they give you. I also bought some olive oil neutralizing shampoo as a precaution because sometimes they don't provide enough neutralizer in the relaxer kit. This is just to make sure that I am actually given the opportunity to wash all the relaxer out of my hair. I'll follow that up with Olaplex number 3, which is a bond reconstructor. This will help add the strength back to my hair after being compromised by the relaxer. After I let the Olaplex sit in my hair for 30 minutes, I will wash it out using my favorite OGX shampoo. After that, I'll be dyeing my hair using Adore Semi-Permanent Hair Color in Rich Amber. I won't be including this step in the video, but if you're interested in seeing that process, you can view my video titled Dyeing Relaxed Hair Using Adore Semi-Permanent Hair Color. I'll also leave the link in the description. After I finish the dyeing process, I'll moisturize my hair using some of my favorite moisturizers and blow dry it using low heat. When applying a relaxer to your hair, you want to make sure that you're getting the product in and out as fast as possible. Relaxers can be very damaging to your hair if you don't apply them properly, and that is not the goal we have today. The goal for today is to keep all of this on my head. After we put the relaxer in and I dye my hair and everything else, I should have a full head of hair afterwards. And we should see progress compared to how my hair looked a couple weeks ago. It should be a little longer. So in order to do that, I have to follow these steps very carefully. So now that I have my hair in 4 sections, I'm gonna go back and part these sections even smaller so that when my dad puts the relaxer in my hair, he doesn't have to worry about parting and applying the product. He can just lift up the sections of hair and apply the product and move on to the next section. Before we start applying the relaxer, as I'm parting these sections, I'm also going to moisturize my hair with the good old-fashioned Blue Magic. The Blue Magic is gonna ensure that my scalp has a protective barrier between the relaxer so that my skin's not getting damaged. The other thing is, if the relaxer starts burning your scalp, that can lead to hair loss, and that's not what we want. So here, I'm going through and applying the Blue Magic all around my scalp, edges, ears, and neck, and anything else that could potentially come into contact with the relaxer. Once I finish that, I part each section into smaller sections and separate them with a bobby pin. This helps the relaxer process go faster because the person applying the relaxer doesn't have to worry about separating your hair. This greatly reduces the amount of time the product has to stay in your hair and greatly lessens your chances of damage. Remember when I said to make sure you use all the products in the box? Well, the Just For Me kit provides you with a product that protects your previously relaxed hair just in case it comes into contact with relaxer while you're applying it to your new growth. I am putting it all along the shaft and ends of my hair, and I'm using everything in the package. Now it's time for the application process. My dad had already applied relaxer to the back of my head, but I wanted to show y'all a close-up of what the process looks like from the front. As you will see, he can apply the relaxer quickly and move on to the next section because I already pre-parted the hair for him.
Ain't got nothing to do, we just do this. It's just like paint.
Yeah. And we're done. I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna completely rinse the relaxer out, and I'm gonna wash my hair using the neutralizing shampoos. Now that I've finished rinsing and neutralizing, I'm gonna apply the Olaplex all over my hair to help it repair itself after this process. I'll be back to show you the finished product. Dun 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 dun. And we're done. My hair is still full and healthy and on my head, so that means today was a success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below for more videos.